Hello guys! Hello Pinoy Unboxing, Paultan here, and today we're gonna unbox something special from Jollibee. Ito yung kanilang peach mango pie. Ano pang logo ng 35 years of Jollibee goodness. I'm a pose. Ayun! As you can see, this is not ordinary peach mango pie. Kasi ito yung tatlong mango pie na pinagsama-sama sa isang maliit na box. Kasi isang peach mango pie is 25 pesos. Ito tatlo, 66 pesos. So, nakasave ka ng 9 pesos. Tama ba? Ewan ko, you do the math. Anyway, so, here's the box. Simpleng box lang. At ayun, sobrang cute nila. Later on, kakainin ko sila. At sasamahan natin yan ng masarap na drinks. So, there you have it. Peach mango pie from Jollibee. 3 pieces, just 66 pesos. Good day.